tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
No, that branches into 6.
From up here,
Oh, the little one.
the world seems small.
Seagulls.
We can sit
What do you mean to that? It's
together.
quite windy in the coast.
It's so beautiful.
From the metropole
You
to the
and me.
Grand Hotel.
We meant to be
Those trees all come out of it.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
There's a pair of swans here with 2 signets. Text me about.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Well, we had Bond right here. Yeah, that's the old bridge.
You and me
This was
meant to be
people at the tail end of autumn.
in the great outdoors,
All golden.
forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So when the orders are made, they give you they will give you the house name. Yeah. So this is the bridge. Oh wow, look at the Wiley over here.
Do you want to pull over?
No.
Now?